Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Tonight, you are not only going to sleep. Tonight, you are going to plant a seed of wisdom inside your mind. The words of the Stoics will whisper to your soul as you rest. And when the morning comes, you will no longer be the same person. Before we begin, I invite you to subscribe to this channel, leave a like, and share this video. By doing so, you help us grow this community and spread Stoic wisdom to more people who, just like you, are seeking peace, clarity, and strength. And leave me a comment below, which Stoic lesson resonates most with you tonight. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." Think about that as you slowly drift into rest. All the noise, all the stress, all the worries that haunted you today, they begin to fade like smoke carried away by the wind. What remains is clarity. What remains is serenity. And as you fall asleep, your mind begins to purify itself. Epictetus, who was born a slave and became one of the greatest teachers of philosophy, reminded us, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Let this truth sink into your subconscious tonight. Tomorrow, when something unexpected happens, you will not be shaken. You will remember that your mind is your fortress, and your reaction is your true freedom. Relax your shoulders. Feel your body sinking deeper into the bed. Your muscles release. Your breath slows down. And with every exhale, you let go of something that no longer belongs to you. Seneca once said, "It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more, that is poor." Let this wisdom become part of your dreams. You don't need to chase endlessly. Peace comes when you realize that you already have enough. Tonight, let your heart rest in this truth. And tomorrow, you will rise with a soul that feels lighter, freer, and unshaken. Imagine yourself standing on top of a quiet mountain under the night sky. The stars above remind you how small your troubles really are. From this height, everything you worried about today seems distant, almost insignificant. You realize that most of what you feared was nothing more than shadows in your mind. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. Tonight, while you sleep, this truth is being written deep inside you. You cannot always control what the world gives you, but you can always control how you meet it. This is where real strength is born. Breathe slowly now. Inhale calm, exhale fear, inhale serenity, exhale every worry. Your body rests, but your soul grows stronger. Epictetus said, "Freedom is the only worthy goal in life. It is won by disregarding things that lie beyond our control." Let these words settle into your heart. You don't need to be chained to anxiety about tomorrow. You don't need to be a prisoner of the past. Freedom is already here, in this very breath. In this very moment, Seneca reminded us, "He suffers more than necessary, who suffers before it is necessary." How many times have you suffered twice, once in your imagination, and once in reality? Tonight, let this cycle end. As you drift into sleep, release every fear about the future. It hasn't happened yet, and it may never happen at all. Peace lives only in the present moment, and the present moment is yours. Now picture yourself walking through a quiet forest. The moonlight touches the path ahead. Each tree you pass is like a teacher, silently standing, reminding you of resilience. They bend in the wind, but they do not break. And so will you as you dream tonight. This strength becomes part of you. Marcus Aurelius said, "If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it, and this you have the power to revoke at any moment." Repeat this in your mind like a mantra. The world cannot disturb me. My judgment is my freedom. Rest deeper. Your breathing is steady now. Your mind is calm, like a still lake under the stars. If these words are helping you find peace tonight, remember to support this channel with a like. Share this video with someone who needs serenity, and subscribe for more nights of wisdom and calm. Tomorrow, when you wake, you will no longer be the same. You will rise with new eyes, with a stronger spirit, with the calm of a Stoic heart. Now, let us go even deeper. Tonight is not only about rest, it is about transformation. The Stoics believed that every day was a chance to be reborn, to rise, stronger, calmer, and wiser than before. As you lie here drifting, repeat softly in your mind, "I am calm. I am free. I am stronger than my fears. I am master of my mind." Each repetition is like a key unlocking a door inside you. Behind that door lives a peace no one can take away. Seneca once wrote, "The greatest remedy for anger is delay." Imagine now that every time frustration arises in your life, you give yourself a pause. You wait, you breathe, and in that breath, you find your control. This practice, simple yet powerful, becomes your shield. Epictetus reminded us, "No man is free who is not master of himself." And tonight, as you drift between wakefulness and dreams, you are becoming that master. You are learning that no insult can truly harm you. No chaos can truly shake you unless you allow it. Your peace is yours alone, and it grows stronger with every heartbeat. Now, picture yourself standing before the rising sun. The first light touches your face. You feel warmth, strength, clarity. This sunrise is tomorrow. This sunrise is you. When your eyes open again, you will rise with a renewed soul. Marcus Aurelius said, "When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love." Let these words be the first thought you carry into the next day. That every moment, even the simplest ones, is a gift. Now, sink even deeper. Your breathing is slow, steady. Your heart is calm. The wisdom of the Stoics is no longer just words, it is part of you now, etched into your thoughts, woven into your dreams. Remember this truth. The world may not change tomorrow, but you will. You will meet life with calm, with courage, with strength. You will no longer be the same. Before we close, if this journey has brought you peace tonight, I kindly ask you once more to subscribe to this channel, leave a like, and share this video with someone who needs serenity. Together, we are building a community of peace and wisdom. And I would love to read in the comments, "Tomorrow, I will rise stronger." Now, surrender completely. Let go of everything. Breathe slowly, sleep deeply, and when the morning comes, awaken with a soul renewed, because you are no longer the same. Good night.